Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. I'm shouting because I'm at the range, it's loud, and I'm shooting video. Anyway, this is a Checkmate magazine, and I am going to, in my Springfield Armory 1911. The trouble if you recall, was I got these Edgar magazines, and they were over inserted. This little bit right here was jamming up in the well, and I couldn't get the machine out. Now, to prevent that on this Checkmate, there's this plastic boot, I'll call it a boot, that's going to limit how far it goes in. I've already tested it unloaded, and it locks good, and so far so good. I'm going to load it up now, and we'll see. Okay, 10 rounds. Last one was a little tight. Let's see if it strips off okay. Bottom target. You couldn't see it, but I dropped the magazine. It worked. Clean magazine drop. So this one, 100%. Now, I can't do the conversion today, but I'm going to do it on my workbench at home, and I'll come back another day and I'll convert it and see how it goes. Good people. I the last 10, 25 yards just for the fun on the left target, and I paper, not too bad. Magazine works in Springfield 1911. Definitely buy it.